Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play music and talk through your microphone while gaming. So let's start. I recommend you to go to Steam. I'm here on Steam. You have to log in your account, and here you can download any game if you prefer. And your computer, of course, some of them has a price, some of them are free. Then you have to go to search and looking for the game that is Soundpad. Soundpad it's a program that will help you to chat and to have a microphone while you are playing game, and you can start listening to music on this. So I recommend you to download. You can download on Microsoft, and you can see here the languages that it has, and then you can add to cart so you can see the software, etc. that you have. So that is how you can do it. Soundpad it's a good program to working, and now you can start using it on your computer without any problem. Of course, if you want to pay, well, you can do it, or you can download the demo if you want to try first and how it works. You can download, and if this liked you, just you can buy it. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.